Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How y'all doing out there? I hope you guys are doing well. Y'all, I've been gone for a little minute. Yes, I needed a break just like the next girl. Anyway, I want to jump into today's video. Today's video is definitely going to be a super short review of this particular product that I have been using for a little while now, and I kind of just want to share with you guys what my personal opinion is about this specific product. So hunty, if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and just get this thing popping. Yes, populating. Yes, I want to talk about none other than the African Pride Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oils. And this is what it looks like, ladies and gents out there. So right off the bat, 5 essential oils is what this concoction consists of. So the 5 oils that is in this is none other than castor oil, grapeseed oil. Now y'all know I love me some grapeseed oil, but I actually like carrot oil too, but I've never just actually done a video about that. Also, it has argan oil, coconut oil, and what was everybody's favorite at one point, olive oil. Hey, hey. So those are our 5 golden essential oils that this concoction consists of. Also, just a little FYI for you, it has vitamin E in here as well. So basically what this product is supposed to do is help seal in moisture. Now the way that I've been going in using this product, whenever my scalp feels itchy, especially while wearing a protective style, I would just go in and just apply it directly to those spots that are just driving me nuts. So with that being said, I absolutely love the particular type of top that this has, because it lets you go directly to wherever your problem areas are. So this is absolutely phenomenal. I like that. Another awesome thing about this particular product is right there stamped below. I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but it says no parabens, no sulfates, and no petroleum, if I'm saying that right. It's like super small. Y'all, say hey to my little boy. Hey, baby. I love you. I love you, baby. Okay, alright, here you go. So, so with that being said, so let's jump back in it. What's really gonna knock you up off your feet, like for real, it's the scent. I gotta give African Pride a pat on the back. They really took time when they came up with what they wanted this product to smell like, and it smells so good, y'all. So good. Like, I sincerely love the scent. And it's like, I don't know, it smells like it consists of all these things that it says that it has: carrot oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil. Now I really can't say I smell olive oil, but it has a sweet scent to it, you guys. Now what I will say is the scent probably lasts about a day or so, so just keep that in mind if you want to try this particular product. Now another good thing about this product is this particular line in the African Pride brand is extremely affordable. Like, you won't break the bank. You'll still have funds left over to do whatever you want to do for the day. So the going price for the products in this particular line is $4.99. Now keep in mind that your geographic location may play a major role in price depending upon where you are in the world, but here on the East Coast, $4.99. So if you want to get the oil, $4.99. If you want the leave-in conditioner, $4.99. If you want the shampoo, $4.99. If you want the conditioner, that's $4.99. So Everything in this particular line here on the East Coast is $4.99. Okay. So you probably can buy the whole line and be good to go. Still have money to spare. I think this product will be extremely great for those ladies out there, or gents who have low porosity hair, because the oil is super thin. It is not a heavy oil at all. Like, it's truly just not a heavy oil at all. Like, it just melts away super duper quick. So that's one of the things that I do like about this product. Now, if you don't have low porosity, but you just maybe want a little gloss to your hair, then this oil will probably work for you. But I don't know if it'll truly penetrate your strands. So, just want to let y'all know. Now, there is a downside to this product. There is something that I don't like. Like, I like that it's thin. It's a thin oil. It's not heavy. This oil, it's not going to weigh my hair down. I like that it's extremely affordable, and I absolutely love the scent of the oil. But like anything else, there is a downside. So the downside of this particular oil for me, and I'm speaking about my personal experience here, is that my hair just drinks up this oil. Like, my hair just suctions this oil up. I can apply the oil direct to my itchy scalp if it's itching today, and within a couple of hours it will be back itching again. So this oil does nothing at all for my scalp. Just nothing. Doesn't do anything at all for my scalp. So will I purchase this product again? Y'all, it's going to have to be a no for me, simply because it does nothing for my scalp. In order for me to maintain the locks, I gotta have a healthy scalp, and so the oil does nothing for my scalp whatsoever. Should you try it? Absolutely. Like I say to anybody out there, especially a naturalista, you have to try products. So it's just trial and error to kind of find out what works for you. Now, I've been natural for a lot of years now, and y'all, I'm still looking for that right product for me, and I found some things along the way that I like thus far, unless of course people change the recipe of their products, and then of course that puts me back at square one. But yeah, you guys, that concludes my super short review for you. If you've tried any of the products from the African Pride's latest line, tell me what your thoughts are about it. Did you like it or no? Or if I'm using this product wrong, let me know down in the comment section below. Let's get this conversation started, boo.